Right, so what we got here is a Mercedes-Benz A200 A-Class 2023. What we've done is we've installed the Ghost 2 Immobiliser on this vehicle, so a thief will not be able to drive this vehicle without a code. So if you try and start the car, no code, the car just turns off. It does not allow you to start it. So you got to enter your code to be able to drive the vehicle. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is fully customizable. You can use any combination you want. You get the 2 high beam flashes that lets you know the system has been disarmed, and now you can turn it on as normal. So no code, you're not driving this vehicle. To protect your vehicle, see the link down below, the Ghost, and contact us to get the Ghost done on your vehicle. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.